Okay, cool. So I flew through a desync. I don't know. I might be the greatest pilot in the world.
Yeah, that was the greatest desync landing.
Is that my phone?
The best pilot in that chair right
Hello,
now.
DJI. Sure. I'll be a sponsored pilot. I can fly anything.
The idea of this video is very simple. Basically, I received the new DJI FPV Digital FPV System from them a few weeks ago, and I've had a chance to play with it a lot on my own. However, I know that a lot of other of my friends and pilots would like to try it out, and a lot of them haven't done it for the first time yet. So I basically, over the last couple of weeks, have been taking it to practice, taking it to different races, and letting other FPV pilots and Joe Scully try it out for the first time. So these are their genuine, kind of unedited, I mean, I edited it to be quicker, reactions to flying it along with the footage that they're experiencing. And I think that it does a really good job of communicating that same like first time experience that I had where, you know, I sat down, I started flying it, I felt like I was flying for the first time. So, you know, so there's some negative reactions, there's a lot of positive reactions, and I just wanted to kind of give you that as a whole, as an experience to try to communicate that same story that I had when I got to fly it myself.
Let me get my IPD. Alright, IPD's like dialed in, dude. Yeah, I definitely see the light leak reflection behind me, but whatever, we can fix that easily. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I see it.
Okay, now like look what I set you down on the ground. Look at the blades of grass in front of you.
Yeah, no, it's awesome. The contrast is pretty good, and you're pointing directly at the sun. Alright, I'm gonna take off.
Moda 126.58.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's freaking weird because your eye starts looking at other details you're not used to seeing. And you start to get like pupil swim, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna actually slow down my speed so I'm like a little slower. Yeah, I could see some artifacting. Yeah, you could see some artifact. Oh, I see those power lines, dude. Oh my god.
You can see the focus mode. The focus mode is on right now.
Yeah,
too?
that's what I meant to say. Yeah, focus mode. It looks like the contrast could be better though, you know. On the dark areas.
Yeah.
Like they're kind of muddy, but yeah, I mean in this sunlit area over here, it looks really good.
Go fly over by the church,
Moda
like up by the steeple and everything.
59.59.
You don't have to turn around or anything.
Alright, I'm watching the latency as well. I'm still at 28 up here. I'm good. I don't want to necessarily drop down because I'm afraid of too much of a latency drop, you know?
For sure.
Dude, it's super smooth and fun, man. Oh god, did you see that?
No, I can't.
There's like a wire going down at an angle from that pole.
Oh yeah.
But I saw it ahead of time. Dude, that's weird doing rolls. Why is rolls so weird? So on a roll, it's like, plus part of that's the quad too, I think, because it's not like a super smooth roll. The flip felt smoother.
Try run some laps, see if you notice it there, because I didn't.
You didn't?
It felt fine
Alright.
on the track.
I'm gonna go kind of slow here because like I'm not like used to. I don't know if that was wind or something. Yeah, I think I'm definitely. I feel it a little bit. I was at like 30, 31. I'm definitely just trying not to hit anything, obviously.
I can hit stuff.
It might be the wind. Oh god. Oh god. Right as you said that, dude. It's pretty awesome. You can definitely feel the latency, at least I can. I'm pretty sensitive to it. I'm not sure if this is in 120 FPS mode or not, but yeah, it's fun. It is awesome. Oh, I can hear the fan, I can feel the fan, so it's got active cooling. The FOV is huge, it's nice. There's a little bit of distortion at the edges, but that's kind of expected. Dude, it's awesome, man.
Okay, I just switched back and I flew a half a pack on HDOs with analog video, and it's laughably much smaller field of view, and like it's just disappointing after that. That's rough. I'm gonna plug you in now. Keep yourself in there for now.
The upper right switches to the arm disarm.
Oh, wow.
You can see your beard detail.
Wow. So I do get when you
Yeah, that's really.
Are you
Moda
recording?
That's really
1070.
good. Clarity is amazing. I am noticing the main thing right now that's bugging me. It probably won't bug me when I start flying. Is I'm getting a ton of light leak right here. Right here on the sides. If I could close that gap up with that foam.
Oh, you get it there?
Yeah, I get it right here.
That's weird.
And I'm seeing the reflection on the screen. The stuff below doesn't bother me. I'm getting some down here, but that doesn't bother me because it's not on the screen. What's coming in from behind me is reflecting on the screen on the edges. Sticks are a little close together. Let's see how it feels.
Yeah, that's a little weird.
Yeah, that is kind of weird the way the...
They're a little bit loose.
Oh, wow. Oh, I can see what they talk about now about the edges blurring a little bit sometimes.
That's a mode.
Okay.
It's called focus mode. It basically throws away information on the sides that's less important.
Well, I don't want to crash a pretty quad, but
That's
I
fine.
gotta... Oh, yeah. Like,
See,
I could see you putting this on a squirt
Yep.
and doing tree, like, maneuvers up inside tree branches like you do.
Yep.
And this would be amazing for that. It's almost overwhelming for racing. Like, it's almost
23.4.
so good that it's distracting. I'm sure you would get used to that, but
Yeah.
right now my overall...
You can fly it all the way around behind the church. Like, go fly in front
Really?
of the church. Yeah. You don't have to turn your head or anything.
What's a low power for
Oh, wow.
freestyle?
Oh, wow.
10.5.
So it does get a little bit blocky, but you can fly through that completely.
Right. So
But even the blockiness and the little bit of jerky latency that I'm feeling, it's
better than analog.
more flying than flying through shitty analog.
Yeah. And then the other thing I did to test it was I flew over top of the trees to our left, all the way to the next field over, and then went down under the tree line. I could still fly. It was worse than behind the church.
This almost...
It's unfair.
Do you know what the feeling is? The feeling is almost like when I flew FPV for the first time and I felt like, oh, I can go anywhere. I can fly here and fly there. And then I got into racing with 25 milliwatts and I stopped having that feeling anymore because the newness of being free like a bird just wasn't there anymore. Now I was focused on racing.
For everyone that's in the audience at home, did I not say exactly that to the camera earlier?
You did?
Yeah.
Oh my God! It feels
like flying again for the first
it
time.
feels like flying again for the first time because now I feel like because I don't fly on 800 milliwatts anymore. My purpose of flying now is for racetracks.
You are flying 700 milliwatts.
So now my purpose feels like exploring. Like it feels good to have that feeling again of. I don't know. It's hard to explain. I'm trying my best to explain it, but like I don't even want to focus on flying on this racetrack. One, for this remote's a little bit kind of wonky. The sticks being so close like this. But for two, the picture's so good that I want to do more than just fly around on a racetrack. I could see me putting this on a freestyle rig. Oh, there's a airplane.
It should turn red when it's starting to get low.
Okay.
You'll see it dip into the
Oh, this is gonna be your new chase footage camera.
Yeah, I was chasing busy earlier. That's why it's-
Completely. Like I'm not a chase guy, and this is recording. And you'll be able to show the audience that I'm not a chase guy ever. I've never really chased.
Oh my God.
What?
You?
Is it
You
low?
flying that plane is crazy.
Is it low?
You almost hit the ground.
Was he chasing me?
Yeah, I'm on you.
Just mind the battery.
Yep.
Don't get
21.6.
below me.
Still 21.6? Alright.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I thought you were going to hit that power line.
It's so easy to chase.
Yeah,
21,
you can see him no matter what.
21.2, so I should probably bring it in. Wow. I want one.
Right?
And I don't want it for racing. I want it for a whole nother, open up a whole nother part of the hobby for me.
Alright, dude, I'm gonna.
Because to be honest, cruising around with analog was fun when it was very new to me. And it was, when you have analog and you're first in the hobby and you just want to go explore everything and it's new and it's fun, and then I got into racing and now I don't do that anymore. This makes it, I want to go explore now because it looks beautiful and it can be dedicated, for me it would be a dedicated exploring long range, not even really freestyle, just a fun experience. Wow, I definitely don't like this. I don't like the hands are too close for this, and if they fix the light leakage,
I could see myself putting crossfire on this without the remote and just doing crossfire. The latency didn't bother me that much. The blockiness didn't bother me. It was way better than any analog experience I've ever felt flying around buildings and stuff like that. So, wow, it's kind of was an emotional thing. I know that sounds really, but it was kind of like taking me back to when I got my first Vortex and started flying around and exploring the world around me that I'd never seen before, like a perspective on the world that I've never seen before, and that brought that back.
Wow, that video is clear, man. That is nice. That picture is awesome, man. Wow, that is... You can see everything, man.
766.33. Moda 6.03.
The rates feel a little different, but I mean,
It's pretty low
wow.
as well. So that's a messes.
Oh, okay, yeah. Man, a little blurry on the sides. The screen's wide enough; it's not really a problem.
Yeah.
Literally, all the leaves. You could survey hail damage with this.
Oh yeah.
For sure. Get off the roof. Man, this thing's butter smooth. Man, that's so clear. I could race with this for sure. So how much is this? This is like $1,000 for the radio and the whole shebang.
Yeah, pretty much.
Mind if I'd work with my HDOs? Huh.
Moda
Oh.
28.71.
That is nice. Dude, that picture is beautiful. Picture is awesome. I like it. I like it a lot. I can get past the blurry edges. That didn't affect me at all. I'm not as fast as some of these other guys, but looks kind of like a jet fighter visor.
Now go fly analog. You'll hate it.
Oh man, I don't want to.
Is this good for the YouTube money?
Hey, I got it.
Are we gonna sell advertisements now? It just looks like this the whole time, huh? That's super dope. Is there like an IPD thing here? Here, there? What did I say? Operator? Yeah, I think I'm ready to do the drones. Okay, this is cool. It feels a little bit latent, but that might be. If it is latent, it's negligible, I think. That's super cool.
I'm walking away.
Okay.
Save some battery.
Okay, bye, nerd. Is this a 4-cell? Where's the voltage? Oh, okay. Yeah, I got it.
on the screen.
Yeah. Hey, Sean, are you close by?
That's a negative.
Yeah.
Is anybody close by who's flown this?
118 or 1881.
Does it have like a framing thing that's blurry, or is that just the way I set the IPD? It's like when you put a clip on Instagram, but it's the wrong field of view. So you just mask out the edges and blow it up.
Can you count the grass blades?
Pretty much, dude. This is super cool. The best part is that I'm like not in a place where I can spend money on this right now. So I'm just gonna have to go into this existential depression. I'm gonna land it so somebody else can do a thing. It's hovering around 22, but it's like not updating fast. That's super nuts. So it's like flying with a GoPro, but you don't have to watch it after. You can just watch it while you're doing it. Bestow upon you the pocket battery.
Audience mode was garbage.
The goggles are kind of uncomfortable, but this picture looks amazing.
Your forehead's just not flat enough, bro.
Yeah,
Let's get it together.
exactly.
You gotta be Asian.
God, this picture looks insane.
Like you're just looking at the ground, like you see all
Yeah.
these rocks and stuff.
Oh, I can see.
So when you get up, go fly like in the field, like down low by the grass and stuff. You know? Not like breaking into a tree, but like.
I just flew like around up high because I didn't want to mess anything up.
And do a roll and split
I didn't build it, so.
Oh, okay. Well,
I don't give a shit.
I wish you would have told me that before.
Sorry. I'll do better next time.
Yeah, this is insane. I just feel like I'm flying around a GoPro. Yeah, it's super clear.
Sorry.
I wish there was some flags. Oh wait, there is a track over here. I'm not gonna do the actual track.
Go ahead.
but
It's
I'm
fine.
just gonna go around it.
All of these were things that I would have loved to do.
The camera angle's a little up.
We'll put you back in if you want. Just charge some batteries for me.
You got a.
I don't have any power.
Yeah, okay.
Kevin does though.
No, I don't. I gotta charge my car
Kevin,
still.
Okay.
I saw ya.
He saw your ass in HD, yo.
I normally.
Actually, I've got 6S batteries in my car. I'll just grab one.
Cool. You mind grabbing a couple if you have them?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, I heard the
Conduit.
I heard that too. That was scary. What are you experiencing?
Oh, I just went
Ooh, white screen.
Why is it white?
White?
What'd you get?
You broke
I just bumped the ground.
Oh, reboot or something.
I am impressed.
Mr. Joseph.
It looks incredible.
You're up.
Ready?
I can
Yep.
count every single blade of grass.
Are you recording on
It's
your
pretty
phone?
quick counting. You got a camera recording, so
Wow.
tell me whatever.
So far, this looks amazing.
Get that a lot.
Uh-oh. Yeah, these are definitely not my rates.
You have a butterfly chasing you, by the way.
do.
Did you see that? I could see the colors on his wings.
Shut the freak up.
Uh-oh. For some reason, it is not leveling out.
Oh, I don't have auto level on. Do you usually fly with auto?
But it's not going to the right. It's really drifting.
Drifting.
Yeah. Oh, I'm upside down.
Bring it low.
I'm crashing in HD.
Disarm.
Hey, landed pretty side down.
Do you fly mode 2?
I fly in normal. It just was not. It wouldn't level
Here,
out.
can I see it for a second?
Yeah.
You said you're right side up?
Slightly to your left. Straight ahead.
You got it?
There it is. Beep, beep, beep. maybe it had bent prop or something. Can we DVR review? I fixed it. You're welcome, DJI. Dude, it might have been my pilot skills, but I don't know. You want to try it?
It's not.
I'm gonna try flying early.
It's not level. Man.
Chances are.
We need to put it in angle mode.
Do you want the goggles? So I wasn't crazy?
No.
All right, cool.
Crazy. You don't suck. Stay in there.
So I hope that this video has been a good positive experience for you. I thought it was really fun to kind of go back and see, everybody's like, whoa, for the first time of putting it on and watching Joe kind of interact with the mistakes that his quad had when he flew it. But so I hope that, if nothing else, that at least gives you an appreciation for how cool this new technology is. I'm not necessarily trying to use it as a sales tool or anything like that. Obviously, if you do want to buy it, please use the links in the description, blah, 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 blah. But what was interesting to me was the story of how it felt to fly it. There's no way to experience that from me just showing you footage. You have to try it for yourself. That being said, what I tried to do was capture other people's experiences and let you kind of ride along with them inside the goggles. So in the meantime, enjoy the possibilities of flying and stay flying.